Heads up, what you're about to read may go against everything you knew about artificial intelligence. ChatGPT this, ChatGPT that, that's all people talk about these days. The truth is, ChatGPT is not artificial intelligence, but before you turn off the video and close the page down, let me explain. You see, artificial intelligence does exist, but not for me and you. Do you really think a company that's worth billions, if not trillions of dollars like Netflix, Google, or Tesla uses ChatGPT? Do you think Elon Musk opens up Chatbot Plus and asks how he can manage Tesla? Or how to put a rocket on Mars? Hell no! They use something that's completely different. They use what I like to call true AI. True AI is where magic happens and where we make our ridiculous money. Every day we make hundreds of dollars using one single app, but it's unlike anything on the market. Why? Because it uses true AI with AI Pilot. You can instantly deploy over 45 AI expert chatbots. This is not your ordinary chatbot. No, my friend. These bots are like hiring an army of seven-figure experts to help you create and run a business in any niche. Just tell them what you want to do, and within seconds, you'll get it done. I'm talking about funnels, websites, landing pages, videos, animations, voiceovers, flipbook, business cards, designs, contents, graphics, and many, many more. And here's the best part. AI Pilot works in any niche. No matter what you're doing online, AI Pilot is for you. It's the easiest way to create an entire business from scratch, even if you have zero experience or technical skills. Want to know how easy it is? Well, you don't even have to use the app. You don't even need to click a button. Because AI Pilot comes with a Siri-like feature where you can just talk to the app and tell it what you want to do, and it'll do it for you. Want to sell your product? AI Pilot will write the copy, create a sales funnel, and design it for you. Want to promote an affiliate product? AI Pilot will write the emails for you and create a pre-sale page for you. Want to sell physical products? AI Pilot will create a store, write everything, and design it for you. Want to create animation videos? AI Pilot will create a voiceover in any language of your choice and generate a professional video for you. Want to create websites? AI Pilot will create a stunning website for you effortlessly, and so on. AI Pilot is the future of marketing. It's not an app that you get to help you, it's an irreplaceable app that everyone should have, or you'll be left behind. AI Pilot's like Google in the early stages. Sure, you can opt not to use it, but eventually it'll be the only app that everyone uses. And by getting early on it, you'll have an edge over everyone else, and you'll easily crush your competition with a click of a button. Your competitors will pay thousands of dollars and wait weeks to create a funnel, design, sales copy. But guess what? AI Pilot will do that for you in seconds. But it gets better. AI Pilot doesn't just create websites, funnels, voiceovers, videos, designs, sales copy, emails, and dozens of others. You can also integrate AI Pilot Virtual Assistant bot on any websites, blog, or store and let it sell anything on your behalf 24/7. With AI Pilot, you don't need ChatGPT, Midjourney, Shopify, ClickFunnels, Canva, or even hosting. AI Pilot does it all. Oh, and you don't even need to run any traffic to it. AI Pilot will drive thousands of clicks to any link you want for 100% free. Yes, you heard that right. AI Pilot comes with the first AI traffic exploit that'll instantly blast any link you want to thousands of targeted clicks without paying a penny in ads. And as with anything else with AI Pilot, it works in any niche. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to AI Pilot, the world's first AI marketing assistant that deploys virtual experts in any niche to create and run a business from scratch. It works for affiliate marketers, CPA markets, e-com store owners, service providers, coaches, and even anyone who wants to make some money on the side. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with AI Pilot. Step 1, log into AI Pilot cloud-based app. Step 2, deploy any AI expert bots in any niche you want with just one click. Step 3, let our AI expert chatbots create and run an entire business for you. Step 4, profit. Yep, that's it. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, AI Pilot is priceless. It's the first-to-market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using AI Pilot, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to AI Pilot for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running AI Pilot. That won't last long. While AI Pilot is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So, sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use AI Pilot for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get AI Pilot and don't make any money. You'll still get extra bonuses for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to AI Pilot Plus, an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.